Welcome to ADev the channel dedicated to helping you become a better developer. Hi, I'm Abbas, and I'm excited to have you here. Our channel is all about teaching you the skills you need to succeed in today's fast-paced tech industry. Whether you're just starting out, or you're an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, we've got something for everyone. Our tutorials cover a wide range of topics, from web development and data science to machine learning and cloud computing. We specialize in Python programming, and offer in-depth tutorials and real-world examples to help you master this powerful language. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.